Hi guys, I'm Ovi and this is my kitchen. I've got pigs in a blanket recipe to share with you today, so if you want to know how to cook this, please stick around. Welcome back to another exciting video. My videos are always exciting. Today we're making pigs in a blanket, aka hot dog roll, aka I don't know, whatever you call it. So first we're starting with like a roux, or let's just say a tang song. This is a tang song. It's a Chinese word, I don't know. It's just boiled flour, okay? So you have the measurements at the end of the video. You boil your flour, and this is going to be our starter for what we're doing today. It's going to give this pigs in the blanket a lighter texture, so please do not omit this step, else you'll be getting something else. So I have my flour. Into that goes my sugar, yeast, salt. So I heard yeast is killed by salt. I don't know how true that is, but I basically just killed my yeast then. So here I'm adding in my starter, guys, and yep. Get my spatula to help me with that. So it's important you put this starter because it makes your bread very soft and gives this Japanese vibe. If you know what Japanese bread feels like, yeah, that's what it feels like. And then you add your egg and your milk. So you need to hydrate your flour before adding your fat, which is the margarine in this case. So make sure you don't put everything at the same time. Hydrate your flour with the milk and the egg first, then we add in our butter. Okay, it's not butter, so it's margarine. Gosh. Adding our margarine. I just like the sound of that butter. Okay, it's time to dig in with our hands. Me, I don't like stress. No time for long story. People know they work. Oh yeah. So guys, I didn't mix in all of my flour. I left in 1 full cup for kneading because I wanted to knead the flour in slowly and work my way up. I have a technique for kneading sticky dough. This dough is definitely a sticky dough, so when you knead in the first like half cup of flour, then you'd stretch with your hands and it's very sticky, and then you keep stretching for like 10 minutes, and then you get a very perfect, this is the motion. Just pull, put it back, pull and put it back. Stretch your dough. You're just trying to develop the gluten in this dough, okay? That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to work up the gluten from the flour. Yep, so this is it. Beautiful dough. Baby girl's feeling her dough at this point. So we're going to brush in some oil into our bowl and let our dough rise for an hour, okay? I left it for a cold rise, so I didn't put it in any warm place to facilitate it because I wanted to develop that flavor. So I brewed for an hour. It's important that you follow my steps, okay? This is after proofing, and you should know that when you try to poke it with your hand in the middle, the dough doesn't bounce back. I'm moving too fast, baby, slow down. So just deflate your dough. Yep, that's what I was trying to do here, but I think I overpunched my dough, so it started sticking again. But at this point, it's not too sticky. It's okay to roll, and you can use a little bit of flour to flour your board and whatever rolling tool. So I divided mine into 2, and I rolled one part and divided into 4 again, as you will see in a moment. Who remembers that thing from Frozen when Anna was like waiting for the clock to tick and Elsa to come and play with her? Okay, back to seriousness. And then this is just a twisting motion I did. This is the best way I could roll this thing in a way that I could teach people. This is the way I've always rolled it to give me that nice segmented finish. So you just twist and then wrap it around your chicken franks or hot dogs, whatever wieners you're going to be using. Wiener. And here we have it. I'm going to egg wash. For the egg wash, guys, I used just my egg yolk and milk. Now I wanted this deep, rich brown coated finish, so I left out the egg white for this one. That's another tip from Ovi. And I put some sesame seeds. I proofed the game for 35 minutes before baking for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and boom, baby girls and boys, we had ourselves pigs in a blanket, aka hot dog rolls, aka whatever you call it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thanks so much. Please like and subscribe. You know the normal YouTube stuff. Don't let me give you my YouTube voice. Don't let me do that. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.